Hello, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. How you doing, everyone? This is a wonderful week, okay? But by the time you get this video, it's on a weekend, so I hope you have a wonderful Monday through Sunday and a weekend too. Today I have an unbagging. I already opened it to, go ahead, of an FGNormal that I ordered a while ago. I'm gonna post a video at the end. I ordered some storage boxes from another company and they were diamond painting, but things has grown in my living room and I need it. Plus, I didn't realize I don't have a clock on my living room, so I have to depend on my cell phone. What about if I'm charging my cell phone? So I got some good goodies over here, including diamond paints. I got only two diamond paintings. And I got the clock. So let's do with the clock, which is the biggest one. Oh, this is pretty. Let's see, let's open this. Okay. Let's see if it has all the parts. This is supposed to be a diamond painting clock, and I like it because it's in purple. That's pretty. Blue is my favorite color, but I can take a purple. So let's see how we open this, because I'm gonna do it pretty soon. Doesn't have anything else in here. Let me put that aside. So it has a regular bolt. It has the two arms that you need for the clock. Right? And it has the screw. It has the screw for it. It's a regular bolt with some baggies and a single placer pen and a wax. And so I'm going to put this back in here so they don't get lost. Okay. Put that aside. Here is a clock. Oh, that's neat. It has something to hang it up. It has something to hang it up with. Or you can put it on a screw, and it has two AA batteries on it. And I like it because it's purple. Everything, almost everything. The whole thing is, yeah. Sorry about the noise outside, but somebody has the alarm of the clock of the car going off all the time. So I apologize for that. I like it. It's pretty neat. Plus it got the three, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you don't need all the numbers. Plus you diamond paint in the middle of it too. Okay, I needed this clock for the living room. So let's look at the drills. And I wish that somebody shut that card off. Yeah, I almost said it. Let's look at these ones. Oh, these are pretty. Let me get you closer to see the... Here is these long marquise type shape in amber. And these are teardrops. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Oh, this is neat. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I was thinking, how am I gonna know which one goes where? I got the numbers in there, and this is by number, so it doesn't have a symbols or anything. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to still learning how to, you know, focus on this camera or let the cameras focus. Let's see. Right there. Here it is. Here's some purple pretty ones. Look at these ones, a small one. I'm sorry, I have to look at them close. Yeah, these are pretty. Very pretty. And these are in silver, and these are in gold. We got some 80s over here. Okay. Look at these teardrops in this blue. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm sorry, guys, if I go off camera. Oh, God, Jesus Christ. Look at this. Look at these purple ones. Oh, look at these big golden ones. I never had this. And look at these white ones who are kind of bigger than the normal ones, but they're kind of pearlized. These are pretty. I can't wait until I do it. I think I'm gonna do it today because I desperately need my clock. Where's my other one? Oh, here it is. I'm going to put it aside because I'm going to do it today, definitely. I have to do it today. Okay? I'm going to leave the diamond paints for last. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, yes. When I saw this one, blue is my favorite color. Like I said, these are the storage boxes. Take a look at this. This is how pretty it is. I love this one. A bouquet. You know, my wedding, we are 22 years married, and the theme was white and blue, and my flowers were in blue, and even my first china, you can call it, it was a set of Corningware plates. There were the blue roses. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. Oh, this is odd. Oh, here it is. I thought it didn't have the bottom part. But these are pretty. I'm going to be doing these ones today. And then I show you in a post review how they came out. The standard boat. And it has a tweezer this time. Some wax. I look like it has been melted, you know. So let's put that aside. Let's look at the trails. Oh, here is the key code. 11. Let me so it won't. Oh my God, these are mini. Let me see if I can put you in without messing up the. This is not artificial light, guys. This is daylight. And it's not helping me this time. It's a lot of glare on it. So I'm sorry about that. These are the little slivers, like in an orangey red type. And these are purple teardrops. Look at how pretty they are. These are some kind of a light blue big rhinestones. I'm trying to see if the, and I cannot close because if I close then we are going to be in the dark. And these golden marquise. Here are the rhinestones that goes into it. We're gonna have a lot of clear and blue rhinestones. Let's see. Look at these blue ones. They're pretty. Those are for the flowers. It's like a blue-green. Here is these green ones. These are like a smoky color. Oops. Keep on screwing the focus, Hilda. Nope. Farther away. Whoops. Right there. That's the way it should be. These are like a dark, very dark red. Sorry guys, I had to look up closer. But these are like a dark red. And these are some ABs in yellow. Or yellow ABs, I should say. Aurora Borealis. So this is a pretty neat one too. I'm going to be doing this, I think, a whole day because I have to put my stuff on it. So I'll probably do them and then I do a post review and start accumulating. I'm going to put the sticker with the key code inside. So let me put it inside. Because I'm going to be working on these ones today. Let's see the next one. Oh, the butterfly. Take a look at this one. Take a look at this butterfly. How neat. Let me see if I... Oh, okay. That was that light. Yeah, I had a little light, but I didn't know that it was affecting that much. Sorry about that. So let's look at what is inside. Also has the bottom part. I like big storage boxes. They can hold a whole bunch of DPs. Well, this one won't come off. I'm trying to check this one was so well put that it's gonna be hard for me to get it out. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's inside the sewing thing, the seam. I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna do them anyway. God, Jesus Christ. This one I'm gonna have to do first, because I practically destroyed the cover sheet. Here's the K code. It has 8 colors. The standard bowl with some plastic tweezers. Let's look at the drills. I like to do at the drills, especially when they are rhinestone and special shapes. Oh, okay. Let's start over here. Whoops, whoops. Whoops, whoops. Here are a whole bunch of clear ones. These are pink ones. Purple ones. These are smaller ones. Real tiny ones. 2 shades of purples, different shades. Here's some golden ones. Take a look at this one. Iridescent. Or ABs. Big. These are big. Bigger than the normal ones. Yellow ones. Some teardrops. They tend to change colors. And these are round ones. So, sorry about that noise. I know it's annoying. Especially when people don't take care of their alarm in their cars. So I'm going to put the key code in here. Because I'm going to be bagging all this stuff today. I'm going to be doing them. I'm going to have to do this one first because I like it because the background, if you can see it, is in purple. Let me put it this way. Take a look at this. It's purples and pinks. Okay, let's put that one aside. Let's go for the last one. This is a tree that I haven't seen because you know there are some of these tourist boxes that have the tree on it with different color, green, red, blue. But this one was different. This one has kind of spring colors on it. Let me take a look at this one. That's so pretty. I like it. It's like a spring tree. Look how pretty it is. God, I like all my selection. I guess I have good taste. This one has 11 colors. The standard boat with plastic tweezers. So let's look at the drills. And then this is the last box, so we're gonna be looking at the diamond paints. This is diamond painting too. The only thing is, it's something that is kind of practical too. Here are the rhinestones. In blue, in black. Look at that pretty blue. These are whites in ABs. I don't know if you can see the AB shine. These are some bigger ones that have kind of a purple color. These are Marquise blues. These are Marquise clear. Look at this one. And they are faceted. Yeah, they are faceted, which make the light shine more on them. Oops, sorry about that. Take a look at this. And you see the natural shine because all I have is the daylight sign. The little light, I just took it away. Move it up. These are pretty too. So, now we're gonna look at the 2 diamond paints. I thought I had 3 diamond paintings with this order. I will have to check it out. Let me go ahead and check for a moment. Yeah, it looked like I had, two, two special diamond shapes. I mean, two diamond paintings. Oh, because I got the butterfly. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my God, this is open. This one has 6 colors. Take a look at this. And the butterfly has eyes on it. 2 little eyes. You see that? Only this part, but the rest is a partial. I mean, it's not glue on them. I like butterfly, especially for the springtime, because butterfly represents a new time. Standard boat with the plastic tweezers. So this one I'm probably gonna have to here's some stars. Here's some stars. It's not letting me focus or putting the stars on them. Here's some marquees, faceted marquees. And here's some rhinestones. Like I said, it was only 6 colors. This is a pretty quick one. This one, I think you can do it like in about less than half an hour. Here it is. Some big rhinestones. I mean, some clear rhinestone. And the pink one. And then these like fiery orange or fiery orange color. Oh, and take a look at these big ones. These are neat. I had this one, but in small ones. But I never had it on this size. These are pretty. Okay, that's one diamond painting. And we only have one more to go. And then that's it. Really? The smaller one is giving me all this work. Let me put it aside. And then let's do the last one. Let's see how this one is. Oh yes, I don't know, but lately I have such a love for kitties in cups and everywhere. And I don't have a cat. I'm a dog person, but you know, I don't hate kitties. I don't hate cats. I like them. It's just I don't have the space for it, for them. The standard boat. I'm gonna take a look at the drills in a moment. Oh, my goody the mommy. It's a 30 by 30. Oh, the other one, it was a 30 by 30 too. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. This one has 6 colors too. Oh, I love that kitty. Oh, you know who got close to me, right? As soon as I talk like that? My fur baby. You go to the mommy. Oh, mommy, I get yellows. I get yellows. I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm fumbling my English today, okay? Here it is. It's a cup with some butterflies and some paw prints. The kitty is like a butterfly kitty. And he's holding a flower, or she. It's in blue and white mostly. That's what I like it. It's a partial. Special drills. Oh, my beauty, the mommy. My beauty, the mommy. I love them. Especially when they turn rascals. Sometimes it gets me out of my nerve, but I laugh. He's rascal me. Bye, baby. I'm taking care of you right now, okay? As soon as I finish this. Okay? You know you're my baby. He's looking at the noise of this. What can I eat from there? Here is some special shape marquees. They're faceted. And here are the rhinestones. Oh, here it is, another special one. These are in pink. And these are rhinestone. This is blue. Whoops. This is in blue. This is clear. These are some golden ones. Well, actually, yeah, these are golden ones and these are like yellow ones. Okay, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy it. I'll show you, I will do a post review how they turn out, especially the boxes and the clock. So I will do a post review because I'm gonna do them immediately. I need to organize my living room. But take a look at this cutie, the mommy. Oh, here, mommy, a flower for you. Oh, you're so beautiful. Let me get you closer. He's so beautiful. He's so cute. He's like my baby. I'm sorry guys, for some reason the maximum recording time, I don't know why, it tells me the camera that it did. So I'm sorry if I interrupted you, but this is it anyway. Have a wonderful day, and love and peace to everyone. Thank you for watching.